Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy crafting and DIY projects, then you're in the right place. I use items mostly from the Dollar Tree, but you can find similar items at crafting stores, Walmart, thrift stores, and even garage sales. Before we get started, I have a confession to make. My house looks like fall threw up in it. Is anybody else decorated for fall, or is it just me? Comment down below and let me know that I'm not alone. So today's project, we're going to be making a really cute fall-inspired DIY beaded sign, and let's go ahead and get started. For today's project, you're going to need one of these Dollar Tree beaded signs, scrapbooking paper of your choice for the background, these Decor gingham pumpkins, or if you don't have those, you can use these pumpkin ornaments and some paint. You'll need some of these tower tumbling blocks, some twine, glue, scissors, and a pencil. So the first thing we're going to do is flip the sign over and go ahead and gently lift the tabs to open it up. Then you're going to take your scrapbooking paper and the sign, and then you're going to just trace around it to get your paper measured the way it is. And then you're going to use your scissors to go ahead and cut it out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to apply a level amount of glue onto the sign with my glue stick. Or you could use Mod Podge if you like. Stick my paper onto the sign. Rub it on there. Make sure it's nice and good. And then I'm going to take it and insert it back into the sign. I have to rub it a little bit. Might peel up. There we go. And then you have your background. Now this part is optional, so you can either take your pumpkin and lay it on there so it's more flat, or if you want more of a 3D effect, you can glue a tower block on there and glue the pumpkin to the tower block. It's really your choice. I like the 3D effect, so I'm going to take my glue gun. I apologize, I meant to tell you you need a glue gun as well. And I'm going to glue that tumbling tower onto the sign. And then I'm going to put some glue on that tumbling tower to put my pumpkin on. Now this other part is optional too. So with the twine, I made this cute little bow that I'm going to attach to my pumpkin. Now if you don't want to do that, that's perfectly fine. You can leave your pumpkin as it is. Or if you want to use some ribbon, that would be cute as well. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue into the back of my bow. And then I'm going to put that on my pumpkin. And there you have it. Our cute little beaded fall sign. It's as easy as that. I hope you enjoyed that super easy, quick DIY project. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a good old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know if you have decorated for fall. Please feel free to share. And then also, if you have not already, please subscribe and join my channel to follow along with some other quick and easy DIY projects. And until next time, see you then.